Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the low tire pressure light on a 2017 Subaru Outback. So as you can see that in order to reset it, I was searching for it. Then I came across reddit.com and this post. This person is saying that I had new wheels tires mounted at discount pretty recently. They forgot to sync the sensor W the car, so I just went again and the guy took his scan tool and resynced all of them. It took like 5 minutes and free. So in the first method you can either go to a technician for the help, or the other person is saying that unfortunately there is no physical reset button. If your tires are inflated correctly and then drive 15 minutes or so, then the light should go away. However, just like the other comment, you might need to get the sensors resynced or flashed again with a TPMS scan tool. So this person is saying thank you in return. I'm glad to know it's just not me missing it. So basically you just have to simply follow this step. You cannot reset it on your own. You need to go to some person and you can seek help from them, and in order to just get your sensors resynced and flashed again with the TPSM scan tool. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.